Maybe we should scare it. Boo. Scare the hiccups away.
What can you do about the hiccups?
Just let it pass.
Why does it happen?
Dominic's first hiccup. Felina was holding him.